exercise number 6. Give example of two functions f from n tends to z and g from z tends to z such that g composition f is injective but g is not injective. Consider f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to modulus of x. Solution: f from n tends to n z as f of x is equal to x and g from z tends to z, n be the set of natural numbers, z be the set of integers, as g of x is equal to modulus of x. We first show that g is not injective. G is not injective. Now g of minus 1 equal to modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1 and g of 1 is equal to modulus of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore g of minus 1 is equal to g of 1 but minus 1 not equal to 1. Therefore g is not injective. G is not injective. Now define G composition F. G composition F from n tends to z. N tends to z defined as G composition f of x equal to G of f of x. This is equal to G of f of x is equal to x, G of x equal to modulus of x, equal to modulus of x. Let x comma y belongs to n such that G composition f of x equal to G composition f of y, which implies modulus of x is equal to modulus of y. Since x comma y belongs to n, hence both x and y positive. Therefore modulus of x is equal to modulus of y, which implies x is equal to y, because both are natural numbers, is always positive. Hence G composition f is injective. But the given example, G is not injective, G composition f is injective. Question number 7. Given examples of two functions f from n tends to n and g from n tends to n, such that G composition f is onto but f is not onto. Consider the functions f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 1 if x greater than 1, 1 if x equal to 1. Solution: define the given definitions. F from n tends to n by f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g from n tends to n by g of x equal to set of x minus 1 if x greater than 1, 1 if x is equal to 1. First, the same as the previous one. First, to prove that G is not onto. G is not onto. The element 1 belongs to n in codomain. is not a image of any element in the domain n, because here x is equal to 1. Small corrections. First to prove that f is not onto. The element 1 belongs to n in domain codomain is not the image of any element in the domain n. Because if in the function f of x is equal to x plus 1, here 1 belongs to n, is suppose x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then f of x is equal to 2. But one of the value in the codomain n, if for any value 1 belongs to n is one of the value. But for any, if substitute any value of x, you are not getting f of x is equal to 1. If you are putting x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to 1. But x is equal to 0 is not possible, because x is in the set of all real numbers, so all natural numbers. So x will not be 0. So any value 1 belongs to n in the codomain is not a image of any element in the domain n. Therefore, f is not onto. Now, G composition f depend as G composition f is depend as n tends to n, and G composition f of x is equal to G of f of x. This is equal to G of x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore, G composition f of x is equal to x. Therefore, G composition f is onto. Question number 8. Given a non-empty set x, consider P of x, which is the set of all subsets of x, that is power set of x. Define the relation R in P of x as follows. For subset A, B in P of x, A related to B if and only if A subset of B is R and equivalence relations on P of x. Justify your answer. Now the solution. Since every set is a subset of itself, therefore A related to A for all A belongs to P of x. Therefore R is reflexive. Let A related to B, which implies A subset of B, but B not subset of A. Therefore R is not symmetric. Next, to prove the transitive, if A related to B and B related to C, then A subset of B and B subset of C, which implies A subset of C. Therefore, A related to C. Hence, R is transitive. Hence, R is not an equivalence relations. Equivalence relation. Because it is not symmetric. Question number 10. Find the number of all onto functions from the set 1, 2, 3, up to n to itself. Solution. Onto functions from the set 1, 2, 3 up to n to itself is simply a permutation. Permutation means compare fair. For example, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. A permutation of n symbols. The symbols from 1, 2, up to n. N symbols 1, 2, 3, up to n. N symbols. Thus, the total number of onto maps from 1, 2, 3 up to n to itself is the same as the total number of permutations on n symbols 1, 2, up to n, which is n. So there are n symbols, n permutations for these conditions.